Hey YouTube, well go on, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna change our AC vent on this Nissan Rogue. So basically you can see that the center AC vent is broken, so we're gonna change it. The customer brought me another vent and then we're just gonna replace it. So what we're gonna need is a trim tool. So a link will be in the description for tools and parts, if I can find the part, but the link will be in the description for the tools. I buy this tool on Amazon and I've been using it ever since, maybe like a month or two. Not really, I don't really remember, but it's been keeping up, it's been working out. You can see got a little scratch on it, but it still works. Get your pry tool, pry between the dash and here, trying to work your way around, and it will just come loose just like that. Once it comes loose like that, what you want to do is squeeze this button right here, this on the clip, and unplug the hazard switch. I press the switch. So what we did, we squeezed this right here, unplug that. Now we just need to take out the broken pieces off the vent. You might need a pliers if your hand can pull it forward. So at this point, I think I might just go and get the pliers. It normally comes off in this, but I don't know why. You can see some of the clips broken, so that's why it didn't come out with this. Some of the clips are broken, so that's why the vent's staying there. But I'm gonna go get my pliers and I'm gonna go ahead and take out the vents right there. So basically you just want to get something that you can use to hold, that's not gonna hurt your hand when you try pulling on it. And it should come out just like that. This would be a good thumbnail. Let me get the Nissan emblem in it a little bit. Get it straight. One time for the thumbnail. Center AC vent. And we can take out the other one. So this one is not broken, so I just have to be real gentle with it. Alright. We got it out in one piece, so we're good. But the vent I have, they have both vent on it, so it's not really a big deal. I'm gonna reuse that. So guys, if you want to take out one, if you just get the vent by itself and you didn't get this whole piece, or if you wanna you can just go ahead and just pull these clips like this on each side for whichever vent you're taking out. And then we have one more right here, and then the vents come out just like that. You can just, when you get the new vent, you make sure you line up everything. You line it up real good, and once you line it up real good, so just take your time, don't rush this part, no need to rush it, because if you rush it you might break the clips and then the vent's gonna be loose, then you're gonna be mad at yourself. So take your time. So guys, once you push it, it's just gonna lock in place just like that. So guys, once it's snapped in just like that, it's no big deal. If you're gonna change your hazard switch, it's the same procedure. You gotta take this part out to get behind the switch, to squeeze in these two tabs right here and push the switch forward just like that. So these are the tab, one right here, one on the other side. Get your new switch, put it back in, or put it in your new housing, however you get the AC vent. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to make sure it's plugged in first and it's working. Alright, that's good. Line up you have some tabs at the top. So you have this right here, gotta go in the hole right there, and you have one at the bottom, gotta go in the bottom hole as well. So just make sure those line up. And there you go, bingo. Or should I say bing bong? Oh yeah guys, peace out, see you next time. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, help me grow my channel. And also I have another bike video coming up. Somebody asked me to do a 1 year. How long do I have my bike? I don't remember. Maybe I have my bike 1 year or 2 year. I think I get my bike in 2020 and we're in 2022, so it's probably 2 year or 1 year and 1 year and some months. I probably got it in September or somewhere around there, so it's probably 1 year and some months. So I'm gonna look at my YouTube channel and look at for the video and see what year I got my bike, and then I'm gonna do an update. Am I still a beginner rider? I think so. Did I have any regret in choosing that bike for my first bike? But enough with this video. I don't want to draw out this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and I will be making a video of that bike soon.